The GeoWeb 3D Soil Stabilization System offers economical solutions for stabilizing transmission line access roads and substation pavements. Transmission line access roads provide vitally important access to conduct emergency repairs following natural disasters or major power outages. The GeoWeb system allows the construction of access roads across soft ground and through environmentally sensitive areas such as wetlands, floodplains, and streams. Build roads with 50% less aggregate for support of heavy vehicles while minimizing environmental impact. Many times, low-quality local fill can be utilized. GeoWeb reinforced access roads reduce and minimize rutting, thereby reducing annual maintenance costs. Create a safe, non-conductive insulation layer between workers and the ground by using the aggregate-filled GeoWeb system on substation pavements and transformer pads. Prevent ponding of stormwater by using a highly permeable, open-graded base course that provides maximum infiltration. The GeoWeb confinement system offers a safe and low-maintenance solution for stabilizing aggregate surfaces in substations. With our design support, we'll make it easy to tailor a solution for your site challenges. How can we help you with your next energy project?